Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can put borders in Excel. If we have table in Excel and we want to put the border around it, so I can show you how I can do this. So guys, let's start the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay guys, so here in my Excel, this is my data. So I will show you. If I go to the file here, if I click on print, here the preview, you can see there is no any border in this table. So I can put it, select that all table like this. Under the home page, you can see this font section. Under the font section, you can see that border, bottom border. Just click on this down arrow and you can see the options for borders. So you can apply all borders for all tables, or you can only apply outside border from here. This is a thing, outside border. Here the right border, left border, top border and bottom border. So if you want to apply border for all table, just click on it. Okay guys, so here we have border has been applied. Now let me show you. If I go to the print, so this table has border. Now you can print with the border. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.